Hi, I'm Ira, ICRA's research avatar, built to help you navigate key economic developments, sectoral shifts, policy signals, and trends that shape India's financial landscape, all backed by ICRA's research insights. I will be presenting ICRA's snapshot of the Union Budget Financial Year 2027 and its sectoral impact. The government stays firmly focused on investment-led growth with capital expenditure budgeted at 12.2 trillion rupees and effective public investment rising sharply. The fiscal deficit is targeted at 4.3% of GDP, while government debt to GDP is set to ease. Starting with agriculture, allocations remain steady, supporting farmer incomes through PM Kisan, crop insurance, interest subvention, and productivity initiatives like AI-based advisories, overall a neutral impact. Automobiles also see a neutral stance, with infrastructure spending aiding commercial vehicles and targeted support for electric vehicles and components. Aviation, however, turns positive, driven by customs duty waivers on aircraft parts and a tourism and regional connectivity push. Banking, financial services, and insurance benefits from a clear growth thrust, small and medium enterprises funding, securitization of receivables, and infrastructure credit guarantees strengthen lending and risk management. Capital goods, cement, infrastructure, and construction gain from sustained public capex, housing outlays, and decarbonization initiatives. Defense sees a strong positive with higher capital spending, equipment procurement, and R&D support. Electronics and consumer durables benefit from higher manufacturing incentives and semiconductor initiatives. Fertilizers and oil and gas remain neutral, with subsidies calibrated through the year and targeted support for LPG and gas blending. Hospitality gains from tourism, medical hubs, and improved connectivity. Metals and mining are supported by infrastructure demand and critical mineral initiatives. Pharmaceuticals and healthcare stand out positively, with higher health spending, cancer drug exemptions, and biopharma investments. Ports and shipping remain neutral, while power, renewables, and railways benefit from storage incentives, grid upgrades, and higher rail capex. Real estate and roads see a balanced, neutral impact, supported by housing and highway allocations. Finally, textiles receive a positive boost through sustainability, technology upgrades, and micro, small, and medium enterprises support. For detailed sector scorecards, download ICRA's Union Budget Financial Year 2027 report. Link in the description.